The Nama M1 plant milk maker is designed for anyone who loves plant-based milk but wants more control, better taste, and long-term savings compared to store-bought options. If you've ever checked the ingredient list on packaged oat or almond milk and wondered what all those additives are doing there, this machine offers a clean and simple alternative: fresh, homemade milk made exactly the way you like it. What immediately sets the Nama M1 apart is its all-in-one blending and straining system. Unlike traditional methods that require soaking nuts, blending separately, and then straining through messy nut milk bags, the M1 does everything in one container. You simply add your nuts, seeds, or grains, pour in water, press a button, and within minutes you have smooth, creamy, barista-quality plant milk. No pre-soaking, no squeezing pulp by hand, no extra dishes. The patent-pending technology is a big highlight here. The M1 blends ingredients thoroughly and then gently separates the solids, producing milk that's noticeably richer and smoother than what you get from a food processor or blender. The leftover pulp comes out relatively dry, which makes it easy to reuse in baking, smoothies, or energy balls, an excellent feature for reducing food waste. Performance-wise, the Nama M1 feels premium and powerful. Built with stainless steel and durable Tridan components, it has a solid, well-engineered design. The blade quality is excellent, delivering consistent results without overheating the milk, something many users experience with regular food processors. The process is fast, quiet for its power level, and requires almost no monitoring. This is especially appealing if you make plant milk regularly and want a set-and-forget experience. Ease of cleaning is another area where the Nama M1 shines. One of the biggest complaints about homemade nut milk is the cleanup, but this machine was clearly designed to solve that problem. There's no messy strainer to wash, and the pulp extraction system keeps everything contained. The included cleaning brush, pulp pouch, and pitcher with lid make the entire process simple and efficient. Compared to traditional nut bags or DIY setups, cleanup time is drastically reduced. Real user experiences reinforce the value of this machine. One user shared that after years of buying plant milk, the rising cost and added ingredients pushed them to try making it at home. After failed experiences with cheaper machines and frustrating customer service, they were understandably hesitant. However, after extensive research and choosing the Nama M1, they found it worth the investment, especially with reliable build quality and peace of mind. Another user highlighted how the Nama M1 eliminated the hassles of weekly nut milk prep using a food processor. No more heated milk, no more timing steps manually, and no more straining pulp by hand. They praised the machine's powerful motor, thoughtful blade design, and overall durability, noting that it feels like a product built to last for years. The 15-year warranty further supports that claim. It's rare to see such long-term backing in kitchen appliances, and it adds significant value for anyone considering the higher upfront cost. In summary, the Nama M1 plant milk maker is an excellent choice for anyone serious about plant-based living. It delivers convenience, quality, and consistency in a beautifully designed machine. While it's a premium investment, the time saved, waste reduced, and superior milk quality make it a standout option for home kitchens, especially if you enjoy oat, nut, or seed milk on a regular basis.